Good day, everyone. My name is Marcus Sulima, and for now, we will talk about the children with special needs. But before we proceed, let me ask you a question. In your own ideas, what is children with special needs? Children with special needs are those who requires extra support in learning or daily life because of disability, developmental delays, or learning challenges. One of the example of a children with special needs is a child with dyslexia who finds reading difficult, or a child who needs a wheelchair for mobility.
Good day everyone, my name is Angela Mason. I'm going to tackle about the four types of special needs. The first one is physical disability. It is the impairment that limit the movement, balance, or physical function. So the example for this is cerebral palsy. It is a disorder that impact a person's ability to move and maintain balance. So dahil doon, kailangan nila ng lifelong care and of course ng wheelchair para magawa nila yung mga task nila sa pang-araw-araw. The next one is the learning disabilities. It is a brain-based issues affecting how information is processed. For example, this is dysragpia. It is the difficulty with writing. Despite normal motor skills and instruction, nahihirapan pa rin silang magsulat or magbasa because of their learning disability. The third one is developmental disorder. Conditions affecting the nervous system, often starting in childhood and impacting their learning and behavior. So for example, for this is the Down syndrome. Ito naman yung may mga kailangan talaga ng initial care and siguro yung sa cognitive nila or sa pagbabasa hindi sila matuturuan kasi nga mabagal yung developmental nila or yung mga paglaki nila. And then the last is emotional and behavioral disorders or EBD. Student with EBD may show withdrawal, aggression, immaturity, or learning difficulties and may require special support such as individualized education program or IEP. So that's the four types of special needs.
So what are the challenges? The first is behavioral issue. So some students may be hyperactive or easily distracted, which can affect the learning environment. So teachers need a lot of patience and understanding to manage these behaviors properly. Second is budget problems. So many schools lack enough funds for learning materials, assistive device, or even trained SPED teachers. Because of this, students with special needs may not get the full support they deserve. So there are schools that focus on children with special needs here in the Philippines. So there are schools and programs that support learners with special needs. One example is the Stepping Stone Special Education Center, a private school that offers personalized learning and therapy programs for students with special needs. Another example is the Deaf Ed SPED centers, which are the public schools that provide special education programs for learner with exceptionalities, making, making education more inclusive for everyone.
Summarize background about Individual Education Program or IEP. An IEP is a personalized education plan developed for students with special needs, outlining specific goals, accommodation, and service to support their learning. Rules of teachers. Guiding students through complex concepts, encouraging critical thinking and problem solving, providing resources and support, foster a growth mindset. Rules of parents. Participate in IEP development and decision making. Number 2, provide input on students' threats, needs, and goals. Number 3, support implementation IEP at home and communicate with the
How can you help as a student? Number one, be kind and understanding. Number two, offer help when needed. Number three, respect differences. And lastly, four, include them in a group activity.